Family, you know what time it is. It's time for the nyamins. But you see, I'm outside. Now we're going in the kitchen. Today, we are going steaks. Enjoy the recipe. So here we have our steak, which I bought from the supermarket like this, but you can buy it in chunk and then you cut it in thin slices. It is important for your steak to be thin. Okay, I wash it with vinegar and pat it dry with paper towel. That's also important. You must pat your steak dry. Yes, because you don't want your pot to be filled with water when you're frying your steaks. Okay. So you can cut it whichever way you want, but I like it like this. I'm now gonna go ahead and season our steak. Here I have some baking soda. Oops. Baking soda is used to tenderize our steak. Yes, it's a good tenderizer. It's less than a teaspoon of baking soda. The proportion of what I'm using will be in the description below. I'm taking up my baking soda here because my countertop is clean. That is why it's very important to clean your countertop, because something can spill and you will need to use it. I'm now gonna go in with some all-purpose seasoning. You can use steak seasoning. Go easy with your seasoning, guys, because the soya sauce is already salty. I'm adding my soya sauce there. And next, I'm going in with some cornstarch. Like that. And then I'm gonna rub everything together. And then after this, I'm gonna let it sit for about 30 minutes. And then we move on to our next step. So over here we have our bell peppers, our grated garlic and ginger, onion. I'm gonna go ahead and cut our bell peppers in pieces. I'm removing the seeds here. Yes, these are very necessary for our peppered steak. Guys, I just want to take this opportunity to tell you thanks for your tremendous support. Thank you for liking, commenting, and sharing. And thank you for being with me from the beginning. You all be blessed. Peppered steak is a very easy and delicious recipe. Yes, guys, very quick. Once you have your seasons prepared and all that, yes, very easy. So this recipe is for a day, like, you know, when you want to do something quick. Yeah, pepper steak is a good idea. Okay. So the next step up, friend, is to mix our sauce. Here I have some soya sauce. Okay, I'm gonna go in with some brown sugar. I'm gonna add some water. And then I'm going in with some cornstarch. Now gonna mix everything together. And I'm going in with some black pepper also. Stir together. So over here we have our pot. Yes, I'm gonna go in with some oil. I'm using corn oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. Okay, what is important is that you make your oil very hot before you put in your steaks. So while our oil is getting hot, I'm gonna go ahead and put some black pepper on our steaks, which I should have done earlier, but it's never too late. So our oil should be hot by now, so we're going in with our steaks. Yes, and what you want to do, you want to spread them out in the pot. If you're doing a lot, guys, you could do it in 2 batches, no problem. Yes, and what is important, make sure that your stove is on high heat at this moment. Yes, and you don't want to cook your steak for longer than 6 minutes here, because you don't want to overcook your steak and then you will have a rubbery steaks. No, we don't want no rubbery steaks. We want tender pepper steaks. Okay? So it's about 5 minutes. Our steak is almost ready to be taken out. Yes, you see the color is changed, no more pink. Yes, so just 1 more minute and then we're gonna go ahead and remove our steak from the pot, and then we go on to the next step. Guys, it's smelling good already in here. So it's about 6 minutes. Our steak is ready to be taken out. I'm just gonna dish it into this dish here. Yes, and then we move on to our next step. So I'm gonna pour some oil in our pot. Yes. So our pot is hot, so we're going in with our onions. We're gonna saute our onions. Yes, 1 piece of the onion jump out of the pot. Come back here, where you going? Okay, so next we're going in with our bell peppers. I'm gonna stir everything together, not for too long. I like my vegetables crunchy, especially in pepper steaks, but it's your way, guys. If you don't like it crunchy, you can let it saute for longer. Like I always said, your way. Then I'm gonna go in with our grated garlic and ginger. Mix everything together. Oh, the aroma in this kitchen, wow, lovely. My, the ginger and the garlic together, wow, that aroma. Okay? With our steak. Gonna mix everything together. So now we're gonna go ahead and make our sauce for our pepper steak. I'm pouring in our mixture here. Yes, and we're gonna stir everything together, and this just gonna stay here for a few minutes and simmer together. Not too long. We don't need a lot of time for this recipe. And for me, I don't like a lot of sauce for my pepper steak, but if you like it with a lot of sauce, you can double up on the mixture. Your way, remember, always your way. After about 3 minutes, our pepper steak should be ready. I'm now gonna go ahead and plate out some of our steak. There we have it, serving with white rice and steamed veg, string bean and carrot. Yes, lovely. Enjoy the recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your tremendous support. Thank you for liking, commenting and sharing. And if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you in advance, and remember to click your notification bell so you will be notified of my new uploads. Bye for now.